Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Solitude Chatter. Today is December 22nd, 2022, and I'm Ian with the Ski Patrol. All right, so let's look back on the week. We've had about a little over a foot of snow in this last week. We've been able to work on, Ski Patrol's been able to work on terrain and get some new terrain open. We opened up Evergreen Peek as well as Fantasy Ridge. With some very happy people out there that got to experience that. So that pretty much brings us to, we've had most of our terrain open. The resort, an area of an exception would be the Highway to Heaven. The So Bright has been groomed all the way through now. So with that, we might be looking at opening the Highway to Heaven pretty shortly, but we have been allowing some backcountry out of that gate. This next week coming up, well, we just received a snowstorm today. Currently, the west face of the Honeycomb Canyon is open. Tomorrow we'll be working on the east face, trying to get that open. So stay tuned for that, as well as we'll be working on Evergreen again and trying to get that terrain open as that's closed today. We have experienced some pretty high winds in the last 24 hours. And this morning, Thursday, it did delay some openings of our lifts, but we don't anticipate that for tomorrow, and it seems like the wind event has dissipated now and subsided, so shouldn't have any problems getting on lifts due to winds. Okay, moving forward, it looks like we might, for weather, we might get a couple brush by systems over the next couple days, and maybe early next week we might get a more impactful storm. Just a reminder, next week's a holiday week, midweek. We've been having the early starts on Eagle this week. Next week it'll be Link, Moonbeam, and Apex. So just be aware of that. We're adjusting to those three lifts over the holidays. All right, with that said, Merry Christmas to everybody. Hope you have some great holidays, and we'll see you up here on the mountain.